If you're like me, dinner on a busy weeknight feels like a puzzle to solve. You're tired, you're hungry, and you need something quick. Enter the Zatpat recipe. Zatpat literally means quick in Hindi, but it's so much more than that. It's flavorful, versatile, and the shortcut you needed yesterday. Picture this. You come home, open your fridge, and feel like you have nothing to cook. It's a classic pain point. But here's step one. Grab a handful of pantry staples, onions, tomatoes, a couple of spices, and any protein or veggies you've got lying around. That's your base. Step two is all about prepping for speed. Dice 1 onion and 2 tomatoes as fast as you can. If you cry while dicing the onion, don't worry. It's not about technique today. It's about getting food on the table. Pro tip, pre-minced garlic from a jar is your best friend tonight. Heat a tablespoon or 2 of oil in a pan. Any neutral oil works here, don't overthink it. Once it's hot, throw in a teaspoon of cumin seeds if you have them. They pop and sizzle in seconds, releasing an aroma that makes you feel like a chef, even if you're winging it. Now add your onions and sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is where the magic starts. Once the onions are soft and golden, toss in the tomatoes and a pinch of salt to help them break down faster. Think of this step as making your sauce without realizing it. Here's step 4. Spices. A teaspoon of turmeric, a teaspoon of red chili powder, or paprika if you're spice shy, and a little garam masala if it's on your shelf. But remember, this isn't a science experiment, it's dinner. Adjust the amounts to your taste or leave out whatever you don't have. Let it all simmer for a couple of minutes to blend the flavors. By this point, your kitchen smells incredible and you're officially in the zone. Got leftover rotisserie chicken, tofu, or even canned chickpeas? Throw them in now. This is the protein flex step, adaptable for anyone. While that cooks, it's time to hack your carb. No one has time to knead dough for naan or boil rice. Wrap a tortilla, flatbread, or even a slice of bread in foil and pop it in the oven. You've got your carbs sorted in under 2 minutes of effort. Back to the pan. If it looks a little dry, add a splash of water or stock to keep it saucy. Toss in a handful of whatever quick cooking veggies you've got. A bag of frozen peas, some spinach, or even a diced zucchini. Life is better when you clean out your fridge. By now, the entire meal has taken you 15 minutes, tops. Sprinkle in some fresh cilantro if you have it on hand, and give yourself a little credit. You've not just made food, you've made something that smells and tastes like it belongs on a restaurant menu. Scoop the mixture over your carb of choice or eat it as is. The textures and spices will make you feel like you put way more effort into this than you actually did. You can serve 2 hungry people or 1 very stressed person who deserves seconds. This isn't just a recipe. It's an antidote to decision fatigue. The beauty of Zatpat is that you can swap ingredients endlessly. No fancy tools, no long grocery list, just dinner that works. And let's face it, good quick food is the ultimate win.